Well, here we got the Thermion 2 XP50 from Pulsar. This is their flagship in the Thermion range. Fantastic rifle scope, sits on 30mm rings. So we've got a cracking 1024 768 AMOLED screen in the back of it. In the front here you've got the 50mm geranium lens, and also the sensor in the Thermion XP52 is 640-480 with a sub 25 millikelvin sensor in there, so that really sort of is a crisp image when you're out in the field.
Have you used this particular scope?
Yeah, I've used this scope for probably 6 or 7 weeks now. It's absolutely fantastic. I used the original Thermion XP50 and this just blows it out the water. Just the upgrade on the lens, the upgrade on the sub 25 millikelvin sensor, it's just sensational. It really is. The crispness of the picture and everything, it just blows you away. Obviously it looks traditional, you know, and everybody likes the look of a traditional scope on their rifle rather than something that sits back on a reach back mount or something like that. And the added bonus, as I said before, sits on 30mm rings. You don't need to buy any special mounts or anything like that for it to sit on.
Who's this for?
It's definitely going to appeal to the guys who do the pest control. It works just as well in the daytime as it does at night.
Just explain the turrets for me, please.
Yeah, so on the top here you've got your battery turret with your APS-2 battery in there. If you stick the APS-3 battery in there, it also comes with an extended turret, so just watch out for that in your box. On the side here you've got your USB charging port, and then if you move it round, on the other side you've got your push button there, which gives you the main menu, and then your rotational wheel to take you through the menu.
Tell me about battery life, please, Phil.
Battery life is anywhere 3 to 4 hours per battery. The thing that's great about this is you've also got a built-in APS-2 battery in there, so you've got 2 batteries there, so that should really cover you for a night out on pest control duties. And also if you just touch the power button at the back, that puts the display into a sleep mode, which is also helpful for saving battery life.
Okay, and you're able to film on all the Thermion range?
Yeah, you can do. Built in with the Thermion, you've got a 16GB internal memory, which is fantastic. I think that equates to 6 hours of video and 10,000 pictures. So I think that's more than enough for anybody.
Phil, just reinforce where your money's going.
Yeah, definitely. So not only with the sensor that you've got in there, it's also the new 50mm lens. It was a 1.20 stop lens in the old Thermion, but now in the new Thermion 2 it's a 1.0 f-stop lens, and that really is super fast and lets a lot more sort of light and everything into there, and it really crisps up that picture lovely.
So yeah, you're seeing a very different product from a few years ago then?
Yeah, no, definitely. Technology comes on leaps and bounds every year, doesn't it? I've started using Pulsar products 4 or 5 years ago. You know, they come on and on and on every year sort of thing, and they're really doing a fantastic job.